If YouTube is not working on Chrome in Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Whether YouTube won't load, videos keep buffering, the page is blank, or Chrome is freezing when you try to open YouTube, these steps are simple and safe to try. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the fastest solution first. Reload the YouTube page by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary browser glitch, and a quick refresh is all it takes. If that doesn't work, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Make sure the browser is fully shut down, not just minimized. If YouTube is still not working, restart your PC as well. A full restart can clear out small system or browser errors that may be affecting Chrome. Now let's move on to clearing Chrome's cache and cookies, because old or corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons YouTube stops working properly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then, change the time range to All Time, so Chrome clears everything that could be causing the issue. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. After that, wait a moment for Chrome to finish clearing the files, then try opening YouTube again. If YouTube still isn't working, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Sometimes this setting can cause video playback problems, especially on certain Windows 10 systems. To turn it off, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. On the left side, click System. Now find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After disabling it, restart Chrome so the change takes effect. Then go back to YouTube and test whether the videos load properly. Another important fix is to update Chrome. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems with YouTube, especially if the site has changed or your version of Chrome has bugs. To update it, click the three dots again, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. Once the update finishes, relaunch the browser and try YouTube again. Keeping Chrome updated is a very easy way to prevent a lot of loading and playback issues. If none of that worked yet, take a look at your internet connection. Sometimes the problem is not Chrome at all, but a weak or unstable connection. Try restarting your router, or switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot if you have one available. You can also test another website to see if the issue is only happening on YouTube or if your entire connection is unstable. If other websites are loading slowly too, then the internet connection is likely the cause. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the problem. Refresh the page, restart Chrome, clear the cache and cookies, disable hardware acceleration, update Chrome, or check your internet connection. The good news is that all of these fixes are beginner-friendly and safe to try on Windows 10. If this video helped you get YouTube working again on Chrome, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.